Hello and welcome back. This is the nav area. I'm just creating a div just after the navigation, and then what I'm just doing is creating the class of container, not the container fluid. Okay, according to the style I'm not choosing the container fluid, and inside this I'm just creating some more things. The carousel, first of all, I'm just adding the class. If you just remember that we just learned about the carousel already, carousel slide, and then the data ride should be carol. Spelling should be clear because this is really sensitive in the spelling problems. Okay, the bootstrap slider. Okay, the ID is this slider. Well, just go inside this div, and then the time is to create the indicators for this slider. Okay, so going there and just setting the class of the carousel indicators. Don't forget to fill up the S as well, and then just go inside this. And one thing more, I just see that I just didn't put the R. By the way, now the L and there class, or just remove the class because this is not necessary. Just directly add the ID of the slider. Okay, and then the data slide to the first one is should be 0. And the other thing is, why I'm just adding the ID is there, I'm just calling that ID, so the thing should be data target, not the ID. This is the ID which I'm just calling there, and the first one should be active as well. So not directly, just mention the clause and then active. Okay, perfect. Well, just duplicate 1 2 3 4 times. This should be 1 2 3. Now save and just go down just after the OL. Okay, after the indicators, this should be clear that I'm just creating the div after the indicators, not inside the indicator. So there I'm just creating the div, and then actually here the class carousel inner. Okay, I'm just going inside this, and now just this is the time to create the elements, the div. Okay, and there I'm just adding the class and item, and the first one should be active. You know that I just put it the class with the class of active with the every li, which is not the perfect way. The li, the active class should be only the first one, and there also the first one. If you just want to active anyone else, then you can use this thing. By the way, there I'm just setting the img, the image src, and the image is in the images folder, and then the slider -0 or the 1.jpg, and save and cover that. Now simply copy this one and paste. Okay, 4 times I just pasted. Let's just remove the active class with the every element. This should be 2, this should be 3, this should be 4, and then just remove the active class from there and from there as well. Now save and just go to the browser and refresh. I got the thing which I just want, but something more we have to do is to go in there. Actually, you can see that the elements are working there, okay, but only 2 of them or all of them. But why the quantity is too much? Well, there is something more I have to do. After the carousel inner, I have to add the other thing is the left and right control. So why I'm just adding the div, why not I just directly put the href, the a tag, cover, and then the data slide. Okay, I'm just adding the priv first, and then well, there just go there and add the slider again here, and here add the class of left, and then the carousel control. And after that, just go inside this and add another enter, and then just add the span because I just want to add an icon here. So let's just add the glyph icon, glyph icon, and then add in a space and type the glyph icon again. spelling should be correct, and type chevron left. Okay, now just copy this one and paste there, and do the same, but just change the little things, like this one should be the next, and this should be the right, and this should be the right as well, and then save and refresh the browser, and then we got the links to go there and there. Everything is fine here, but we are still having more links, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 approximately. So I got the reason. You know that this should be the ending tag. I just created as the starting tag. This is the simplest problem which is solved now. Refresh that. Now we are just getting only 3 ones. You can see that. Now we just have to do only one thing. Actually we have to correct this and just make this in a perfect manner. Well, interestingly, you can see that they are in the manner actually automatically. If I just make the website responsive or open the website in the mobile or something, well, the other thing is, why not I just create this another class here, call md, or the best is to create this one inside the div, call class call md md10. okay, now save that, and then call md of set to, or 1 actually, after the 1, and will be ended to the 1, and then press some enters, and then just simply cut this one, the whole carousel, put this inside the column. Okay, and just add a tab there, and that is really perfect. Refresh that. Now you can see that this is cleared. Well, now you can see that we've just added the carousel in the perfect manner in this very center of the website, looking really perfect. So in the next class we will add the other elements which is necessary to create the perfect photo gallery. So stay tuned and goodbye.